Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter number 11. Question number 8. Example: prove that if area of two similar triangles are equal, they are congruent. Okay. Similar triangle equal, we prove they are congruent. Okay, mention two triangle ABC, DEF. These two are similar according to given question condition. Given ABC similar triangle DEF, and area of ABC equal area of DEF. Area is also given. Okay, now to prove, what will be prove? Triangle ABC congruent of triangle DEF. Okay, now triangle ABC and triangle DEF is similar given, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Therefore, we know that areas of two similar triangle are equal, then their corresponding side are also equal. Okay, so mention area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Their corresponding side, ABC corresponding side we taken BC, then area of DEF corresponding side EF, because BC equal EF. We taking AB, then we write DE. So BC square upon EF square. We know that areas of two triangles are equal. Okay, so BC square equal EF square. Why? Because areas are equal, then their corresponding side are also equal. BC square equal EF square. BC square equal EF square, or BC equal EF, because square cancel out, BC equal EF. Now in triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we have angle B equal angle C, given angle C equal angle F, given angle, and here we proved BC equal EF, corresponding side equal we proved, then BC equal EF we proved. So by which rule? Angle side angle. It means by ASA rule. ASA rule. By ASA rule. ASA rule, because here two angles and one side na, so therefore triangle ABC congruent of triangle DEF. Why? Angle side angle rule, these two triangle are congruent. For congruency, we prove three equal part. If double side one angle, double angle one side, triple side or triple angle. Okay. So two similar triangle are equal, then these two are congruent. Next, example number 11. In a right angle triangle ABC, it means where B equal 90 degree. If points D and E on the AB and BC, if points D and E are situated on AB and BC respectively, then prove AE square plus CD square equal AC square plus DE square. Okay. Triangle ABE is right angle with B equal 90 degree. B equal 90 degree. Given. Okay, now first we mention triangle. First we mention diagram na. Okay. Diagram is in right angle triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. Now here we draw right angle triangle. Let right angle triangle ABC. Okay, A B C. B is 90 degree. Right angle triangle ABC. Now B is 90 degree if D and E on the AB and BC. Okay, D and E. D is on AB here. E is on BC. According to question, here D, here A. Okay, now then prove A square plus CD square, AC square plus DE square. Okay, we prove. Now we join DE, we join point DE. Okay, now according to question AE square, according to question AE square, so we join A to E, we join A to E. Now we join A to E and CD square, so we join C to D. CD square, it means we join C to D. Okay, we join C to D according to given question condition. Okay, now here two right angle triangle, which first right angle triangle ABE, second right angle triangle DBC. Okay, these two right angle triangle we calculate hypotenuse in ABE, in triangle ABE, right angle triangle. A is hypotenuse, so by Pythagoras theorem A square equal AB square plus B square. Second right angle triangle BDC. Now DC is hypotenuse, so DC square equal BD square plus a BC square. Okay, these two equation, putting values and calculate. Now in right angle triangle ABE, in right angle triangle ABE, first right angle triangle ABE, B is 90. Now A is hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, A square equal AB square plus B square. A square equal AB square plus a B square. Okay, equation first right angle triangle, second right angle triangle. Again in right angle triangle DBC, second right angle triangle na. In second right angle triangle, DC is hypotenuse, so DC square equal BD square plus BC square, or CD square equal BD square plus a BC square. Equation second. Now adding equation first and second. Equation second, CD square BD square BC square. So right hand side BD square BC square, BD square BC square. Okay, left hand side CD square, and by equation first A square left hand side, A square left hand side plus CD square. Okay, right hand side BD square BC square, BD square BC square, and AB square BE square, AB square BE square. Okay, according to prudeness, left hand side A square CD square, A square CD square mention as it is, A square CD square mention as it is, left hand side as it is. But right hand side we prove AC square and DE square. AC means value of AC in right angle triangle ABC. AC means AB plus BC, AB plus a BC. Now here AB plus BC, so AB plus BC pair, AB square plus BC square, it means AC square. And right hand side DE na, so DE means BD plus BE, BD plus a BE. Okay, now left hand side A square CD square, A square CD square as it is. Right hand side AB square plus BC square, AB plus BC square replaced by AC square, and B square plus BD square replaced by D square. Okay, so according to condition, A square plus CD square equal AC square plus a D square. Hence okay, we using only two right angle triangle for which ABE, first right angle triangle ABE, calculate value of hypotenuse AE square. Okay, AE square equal AB square plus BE square equation first. Second right angle triangle DBC. So in DBC, calculate DC square equal DB square plus BC square, DB square plus BC square. Adding equation first and second, adding equation first and equation second. Left hand side added, right hand side added. Left hand side as it is, right hand side according to Prunus, AB square plus BE square, AC square, and BE square plus BD square, DE square. So hence okay. Next question. Question number first is try yourself. Similar question. Okay. Question number second. If a triangle ABC and triangle DEF, same two triangle, also area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is a 121 centimeter square. EF is given, EF means this one, EF is given 15.4. Calculate BC. So EF equal BC na. Calculate this part, this part will be given. Okay, now triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Okay, area of triangle ABC 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF equal 121 centimeter square. Okay na. Now EF is given 15.4 centimeter. According to condition, if two similar triangle are given, then their areas are equal, so their corresponding side will be equal also. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC means first AB square upon DE square, AB square upon DE square, BC square upon EF square, and AC square upon DF square, AC square upon DF square. Their areas are equal, then their corresponding side are also equal. Okay. So we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. We know that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding part or a side. Okay, so area first, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC 64, area of triangle DEF 121. So 64 divided by 121. 64 divided by 121 equal, calculation part EF BC is calculate na, so EF square upon BC square, therefore BC square upon EF square. Now we calculate only side, only BC calculate na by cross multiplication. Okay, taking square root on both side. Here square root cancel out by square. Here square root of 64 upon 121. 64 upon 121 means 64 means 8, 121 means 11. 15.4 as it is. Okay, now we calculate, taking square root on both side, we calculate value of BC. Therefore value of BC is 8 multiply 15.4 divided by 11. Therefore we get value of BC is 11.2 centimeter is a answer. Okay, next question number 3. Question number 3 is a triangle ABC and triangle DBC are at the same base BC. Okay, both triangles are situated on same base BC. If AD and BC intersect, intersect each other at O, then prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC equal AO upon DO. This part will be true. Now triangle ABC and DBC are at the same base BC. Okay, given, so according given condition we draw diagram. First mention BC, okay. ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on same base, ABC DBC, okay. And AD and BC intersect each other at point O. AD and BC intersect each other at point O. So AO upon DO, AO upon DO. Now to prove, what will be proved? Triangle area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC equal AO upon DO. Okay. Now construction. First construct, draw AL perpendicular on BC. Okay, A to L perpendicular on same base BC. Similarly, DM is perpendicular on BC. DM is also perpendicular on BC. Okay, now in triangle ALO means in this triangle, and DMO in this triangle. Okay, now same base, triangle BC, ABC, same base, triangle DBC. Okay, intersect each other at point O. A to perpendicular, A to L and D to M. Okay, both are perpendicular 90 degree. So in two triangle ALO, this one, and DMO in this one. In these two triangles, ALO and DMO, angle O equal O, angle O equal angle O. Here angle O equal angle O, opposite angle. Okay, L equal M, L is 90, M is also 90. Okay, now O equal O, vertical opposite angle, L equal M is 90 degree. Therefore by angle similarity rule, triangle ALO similar to triangle DMO, ALO similar to triangle DMO. Therefore we write, or then AL upon DM, AL upon DM, AL upon DM, AO upon DO, AO upon DO. Okay, why? Because similar angle. So similar angle, therefore in similar triangle angles are equal, then their corresponding side are also equal. So mention corresponding part or corresponding side. Equation first. Therefore we know that two triangles are similar, then corresponding side are proportional. We know that na? We know that two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side are also proportional or equal. So mention area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC, because both are situated on same base. Therefore area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DBC mention. Then area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DBC. Now area of triangle is a half base into height na. So half base means both are situated on BC. So both base is BC, and height of ABC is AL, perpendicular is height of DBC is DM. Therefore mention area of triangle ABC, half base into height, base is BC, height is perpendicular AL. Similarly area of triangle DBC, is half base into height, base is BC, height is DM. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC, mention as it is. Half cancel out by half, BC cancel out by BC. So AL upon DM, mention AL upon DM, and according to condition we prove na. Here we prove AL upon DM equal AO upon DO. So AL upon DM replaced by AO upon DO, AL upon DM replaced by AO upon DO, and area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DBC mentioned as it is equal AO upon DO, and this will be proved. So hence a proof. Okay, now similar question number 4, first and second part try yourself. Third part, in given figure find the value of x in the term of ABC. Okay, now triangle ACE. Okay, similar triangle CBCD. Okay, smaller triangle and bigger triangle. Okay, in these two triangle are similar, so angle CBD. Now triangle CAE, triangle CBD, smaller triangle CBCAE. Okay, means first triangle this one and second triangle bigger triangle. Okay, CBD and second triangle AE. Okay, first smaller triangle CBD and second CAE. Okay, these two triangles similarity rule. So in these two triangle, angle B equal angle A, angle B equal angle A, because both are given 50 degree, given angle C equal angle C common angle, therefore by angle similarity rule, these two triangle are similar. So CBD similar to CAE means their corresponding angle are equal, then their corresponding side or proportional part are equal, then mention CB upon CA and BD upon AE. Value of CB is given C, value of CA C plus B or B plus A. Okay, CA means B plus C, B plus C, B plus A C, and value of DB is X, value of A is given A, so X upon A. Values are mentioned, therefore here we calculate value of X, so X equal AC divided by B plus C, therefore X equal AC divided by B plus A C. Answer. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. Okay, thanks.